Forgot your Samsung A52s password? Or is your phone running slow and needs a factory reset? Don't miss this guide. Power off the phone completely. First, connect the phone to a computer using a USB cable. Press and hold the volume up and power buttons simultaneously. Use the volume up and volume down buttons to navigate the menu. Select white data, factory resets, and confirm with the power button. By confirming, the factory reset process begins, and by cancelling, this operation is stopped. When the process is complete, select Reboot System now.